Challenge yourself to become a better photographer in 30 days. Challenge number 15. We are halfway through the 30-day challenge. And since we're halfway through, I thought we'd kind of take more of a lighter, puffier approach, because challenge number 15 is cloud photography. Now, first of all, before you get this in your head, don't go out and take a picture of the sky. The sky is not a cloud, and that's not the point of taking cloud photography pictures. The point of a cloud photo is not just to see a cloud, but to see how it kind of indicates maybe what kind of day it is or what's going on at the time. It's important to have that cloud in context. For example, if like a fog that is a cloud. It's a low-lying cloud, and you go out and you say, well, I can't see anything. Maybe you can see just a little bit. If you can take that photo, it gives the idea of being either early morning or possibly late in the evening, and you kind of get almost a mysterious, eerie feeling. You ever seen like horror movies and they have that foggy afternoon or morning and you don't know, and then they play that crazy music? But the point is, you're evoking a feeling. Another thing about fog photography, spelled with an F, is like Phototropics, is to, if you can have some light sources in that fog, what'll happen is because of the moisture in the air, that light will tend to starburst out in your photos. So it kind of gives a little starry effect, and it kind of adds to the drama of your fog or your cloud photography. Another aspect is helping you to have context. Now, when I was living in California, we live in a mountainous area, of course, and you could see clouds. They would kind of move their way across, and as they would hit the mountain, they would kind of curl back, almost like a wave. And to catch that with the perfect lighting, it was awesome. Because you can't really say, hey, yesterday I saw this picture. You can't describe it. You have to capture it with your camera. So make sure that when you're taking cloud photos, that there's some context to the cloud. It's just like portraits. You could take a picture of a person's face, but if you have it in context, how much better. That's why the rule of thirds is advantageous whenever you're shooting. So if you want to check out the rule of thirds, check it out right up here. So we appreciate you sticking with us for these 15 challenges so far. Stick with us till the end. And if you keep your camera with you every day and you work on these challenges, then you will challenge yourself to become a better photographer every day. Thank you for sticking with us. We look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's challenge.